You are now a testament to what is possible. Welcome to the Blue Line family, and congratulations on becoming a career pilot.
And I'm gonna cry. So, first of all, I want everybody to get more comfortable like Thomas does. Please do it again. Thomas, you've been my best friend for 4 years, and you've never been anything but supportive. I mean, you even supported me when I started dating Lake Tucker. So, I mean, that's true friendship. You even went as far as to buy cowboy boots and a cowboy hat for our wedding. So, I can't thank you enough for that. So it's truly been my pleasure to be your biggest cheerleader during this, and I'm so proud of you. I'm proud of you for accomplishing this, but I'm more proud of you for who you've become. You were a support to every single student here. I don't know one person in here that hasn't reached out to you or looked up to you during their training. On top of that, you were here every day, no matter if you had lessons or not. You remained humble even when you had roadblocks. You just took it as a grain of salt and used it as a learning experience. And then on top of that, you stayed a dedicated friend, son, brother to everybody, and you inspired me by doing that every single day. So I'm so proud of you. Lake and I are so proud of you. Everybody here obviously is so proud of you, and I can't wait to call you a coworker again.
Oh, that'll work. Appreciate you.
Congratulations. Thomas also has some additional honors today. We award the Blue Rope for on-time completion of our program. So that's 5.5 months.
Yeah.
So congratulations for that.
Thanks, man.
And our highest honor, the Gold Rope, is for a 100% pass rate on all of his check rides.
Yeah. Oh boy, yeah, thank you. Yeah, I didn't really have a whole lot to say either. Other than just thanking everybody. Gosh, this whole thing has been an adventure for the last 5 months. But I think that's what's great about it, right? I mean, you know, you don't get to a place of excellence without people holding you to an incredibly high standard. So that's what I love about this place. There's so many people here to help you day in and day out. Obviously, I had a little bit of a different path and kind of advanced. I love that you guys are all feet up. That's fantastic. That's great. That's so good. Yeah, having a little bit of a different path here, having been around the place and kind of knowing how everything works around here, yeah, thank you to everyone. So.